Arithmetic Progression, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.3. In this exercise, today we are solving 15th, 16th and 17th problem. Now first 15th problem. A contractor on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day begins rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work for 30 days? See, in this question, a contractor on construction job, he is delaying the work. See, if he delayed the work for one day, he is paying 200 rupees for the first day and 250 rupees for the second day and 300 rupees for the third day, like that. Now see, the penalty each succeeding day begins rupees 50 more than the preceding day. That means here he is paying 50 rupees more than the preceding day. Now what we have to find, how much money the constructor has to pay as penalty for the 30 days, for the delay of the 30 days. See, first day is 200, second day 250, third day 300, like that he is paying penalty for 30 days. Now this is in arithmetic progression. See here, 250 minus 200 is 250, 300 minus 250 is 50. That's why the common difference is same. That's why this is an arithmetic progression with the common difference 50, and the first term is 200. Here the first term is 200. A is equal to 200, D is equal to 50. The penalty payable for the delay of 30 days, that means sum of 30 days we should find out. S30. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is Sn formula. Now S30. Here n is equal to 30. S30 is equal to 30 by 2 into 2 into a is 200 plus n is 30. 30 minus 1 into d value is 50. Now S30 is equal to, here 2 ones are 2, 15s are 30. Now 15 into 2 into 200 is 400 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into 50. Now S30 is equal to 15 into 400 plus 29 into 50 is 1450. Now S30 is equal to 15 into 400 plus 1450 is 1850. Now 1850 into 15 is 27,750. Now therefore S30 is equal to 27,750. The contractor is paying as a penalty for delaying work by 30 days is 27,750. Now next problem, 16th problem. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 class prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prize. That means, see here, the sum total is 700. This 700 is distributing 7 classes. 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. 7 cash prizes. This 700 is distributing 7 cash prizes to students of the school for their overall academic performance. Each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize. See, if first prize is 200, then second prize is 200 minus 20, because 20 is reducing for preceding price. Now preceding price here is 200 reducing 20, that means 200 minus 20 is 180. Now third price is 180 minus 20, that is 160. See here, let the first prize be A. The amount of second prize is equal to A minus 20. That means here first one is A, and its preceding second prize is minus 20 preceding to its first prize. That means A minus 20. The amount of third prize is A minus 40. Otherwise, A to second prize amount minus 20. This is an arithmetic progression with common difference is minus 20. See here 200, 180, 160. If we are taking example, first prize is 200, 180, 160. See here, all the common difference is minus 20. Therefore, t is equal to minus 20. And the first term is a. Now, S7 is equal to 700. Okay. Now, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. Now, S7 is 700. 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into d. 700 is equal to 7 by 2. Here 2 is common. If we are taking 2 common, then we will get 2 into a plus 3d. This 2 and this 2 cancel. 700 is equal to 7 into a plus 3d. Now a plus 3d is equal to 700 by 7. Now 7 ones are 7 hundreds. A plus 3d is equal to 100. A plus 3 into d value is minus 20. Minus 20 is equal to 100. A here plus into minus minus. 3 into 20 is 60. A minus 60 is equal to 100. A is equal to this minus 60 comes to right hand side, it will be plus 60. A is equal to 100 plus 60, that is equal to 160. That means the first prize cost is 160. The first price is 160 rupees. First price is 160 rupees. Then find out the second, third, fourth prices. See here, so the value of price is 160. Now second price is 160 minus 20, that is 140. Third price 140 minus 20, 120. Fourth price 120 minus 20, 100. Now fifth price 100 minus 20, 80. Sixth price 80 minus 20, 60. And seventh price is 60 minus 20 is 40. This is they asking the arithmetic progression of that 7 prizes. This is the arithmetic progression of that 7 prizes: 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60 and 40. Now next problem, 17th problem. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. See, in a school, students they are planting trees to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will be planted will be the same as the class. That means class 1 they plant the tree one one tree, and class 2 two trees, class 3 three trees, like that. Okay, see in which they are studying. For example, section of class 1 will plant one tree, section of class 2 will plant two trees, and so on till class 12. Till class 12. There are three sections of each class. That means first class having three sections. That means A, B, C. Section A, section B, section C. The second class having three sections, section A, section B, section C, like that. Each class having three sections. How many trees will be planted by the students? They are asking how many trees will be planted by the students. See here, class 1 to 12. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to 12. This is an arithmetic progression. See here, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. Common difference is same. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression with the common difference is 1. And the first term is 1. Here, the first term is 1. Therefore, A is equal to 1, D is equal to 2 minus 1. That is, D is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, n is equal to 12. N is equal to 12. S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into a value is 1 plus n value is 12. 12 minus 1 into d value is 1. S12 is equal to, here 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. 6 into 2 ones are 2 plus, here 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 1 is 11. S12 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 11 is 13. 6 13s 78. Hence the trees planned by the students for each section is 78 plants. 78 trees. See here, each section, that means class 1 1 tree, class 2 2 trees, class 3 3 trees, class 4 4 trees, like that. It is, if we are taking like that, then we will get the up to 12 sections, means we will get 78 trees. But in each class they are having three sections. That's why, therefore, the trees planted by the students of three sections. Here, therefore, the trees planted by the students of three sections is 78 into 3. 78 into 3 is 234. Now, 234 trees will be planted by the students.